Let's see how to add a WhatsApp link to your TikTok bio. If you want to add your WhatsApp link to TikTok so people can message you directly on WhatsApp when they visit your profile, then watch this video until the end to learn how to do just that. So I have the TikTok app opened, and you can follow my steps if you're an Android user also, because the steps are absolutely the same. I'm currently on my TikTok profile, and I'll now tap on the Edit option in order to open my TikTok profile editor. The thing is that if you want to add a clickable link in your TikTok bio, you'll need to have at least 1,000 followers on your personal account, or you have to switch your profile to a business account. In order to do that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines, and then open this Settings and Privacy option. Tap on Account, and then you'll see this Switch to Business Account option. They will ask you to enter some information about your business in order for you to make that switch. So enter the information, and then we can go back to our profile editor. I'm going to add my WhatsApp link in the bio, just as an example since I don't have over 1,000 followers, but you'll want to click on the option that says Add Website or something like that. We don't have to copy anything from WhatsApp because we need to add a code with our WhatsApp phone number. You're going to type wa.me/ and then enter your phone number with the country code first. So if you're a British citizen, for example, then you'll need to type +44, which is the British country code, and then your phone number. It should have this format, so tap on Save. And when someone visits your TikTok profile and they need to send you a message, they can click on the WhatsApp link, which will open a conversation with you in their app.